Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Touch Keyboard and the handwriting panel service on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in services. Best result should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go down to the Touch Keyboard service and double click on it. Set startup type to automatic, and then if service status is stopped, you want to select the start option and then select apply and OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.